Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros at another payment method tutorial ang pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to add Shopee Pay as payment method in Google Play Store. Kaya stay tuned ka lang para malaman ang step-by-step method nito at start na natin. So ang next step natin gagawin ay kailangan lang nakalagin ang iyong Google account dito sa Google Play Store and then i-click lang natin yan. And dito sa top right corner ng Google Play Store ay makikita mo dito yung ating Google Play Store profile icon and then ito yung Google account. So i-click mo lang yan. And then next step, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung manage apps and device, notifications and offers, and then yung next, ito yung payments and subscriptions. So kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung payments and subscriptions. And dito sa payments and subscriptions, and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung pinakauna lang, ito yung payment method. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa payment methods, and then add payment method to your Google account. And then may mga option dito na pwede nating i-select like add credit or debit card, add PayPal, add Maya, and then add Shopee Pay, and then add GCash. So since Shopee Pay yung i-add natin dito as a Google Play Store payment method, and then i-click mo lang dito yung add Shopee Pay, and then add Shopee Pay, you will be redirected to Shopee Pay to verify your account. And dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung continue. And then link to Google Play Virtual Outlet. So nandito yung iba pang mga informations or link details mga kaibigan. So link your Shopee Pay to Google Play Virtual Outlet for secure, seamless payment method. Okay? And then next step, so makikita mo lang dito sa baba yung link service. So, click mo lang yan. And then enter lang natin ang ating Shopee Pay PIN. Ayan. So almost there. So please wait. Wait natin. Okay. So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. So napakabilis lang kung paano mag-add dito ng ating payment method. So makikita mo na dito sa ating payment methods ay nandito na yung ating Shopee Pay na na-add na natin dito sa Google Play Store. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan, and hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman at guide tungkol sa Google account payment method tutorial. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.